Good morning, students. Today we are going to start practice set number 3.5. In this practice set also we are going to learn about the same thing, the value of polynomial by different way, how we can find out the values of these given polynomials. Let's start. Practice set number 3.5. Question number 1. Find the value of polynomial. Here we have the polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 using the given value of x, and here we have the value of x given. So let's start. Polynomial. In this polynomial we have the variable x, so we should write x. Px is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Now the first one, we have to take x is equal to 3. Substitute x is equal to 3. So therefore we should write at the place of x 3 is equal to 2 into 3, you can see, minus 2 into cube of 3 plus 7 is equal to 2 3 ja 6 minus 2 into cube of 3 3 ja 9 9 3 ja 27 plus 7. Always whenever we have the addition, multiplication, division or subtraction in a row, first we have to solve the multiplication and division. So 6 minus 27 2 ja 2 7 ja 14, 1 carry, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5, 54 plus 7. Now 1 plus and 1 minus, do the subtraction. 54 minus 6, 48, and sign will be the bigger one, minus 48 plus 7. Again 1 plus 1 minus, do the subtraction, will get 41. 48 minus 7, 41. Sign of the bigger number, that is minus. So P3 is equal to minus 41. This way you should find the rest two sums. By using the same polynomial, substitute P minus 1, find out the answer, then P0, find out the answers. Now move to the another type of sum. Here we have, for each of the following polynomials, find the P1, P0, P2. Means for given each of the polynomial we have to find these three values, 0, 1 and minus 2. So first one, Px is equal to x cube, that is given. Let's start. So we have to write first P1 is equal to cube of 1. P1 is equal to 1. We got the value 1. The second one, P0 is equal to cube of 0. So P0 is equal to 0. Yes. The next one, this one will be the P minus 2 is equal to cube of minus 2. P minus 2 is equal to, whenever we are doing the cube of negative number, answer should be always negative. So minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So P minus 2 will be minus 8. This way we have to find out the value of 3 for one given polynomial. Let's see, here we have the second one. Py is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. So first start with P1. Square of 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 5. 1 minus 2 plus 5. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 5, 4. That is the value of P1. Then P0 is equal to square of 0, you can see square of 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 5. Square of 0 0, 2 into 0 will become 0 plus 5. We can say we are getting the answer 5. P0 is equal to 5. The same way we have to find out P minus 2 is equal to, at the place of 5 we have to put minus 2. Minus 2 is square, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. Square of minus 2, that is 4. Minus minus become plus, 2 2 ja 4 plus 5. 4 plus 4 8 plus 5 13. P minus 2 is equal to 13. This way we have to find out the polynomial's value for 1, 0 and minus 2. This way the third one you have to solve by yourself. Now move for the next type of the sums. Sum number 3. If the value of polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m is equal to 2, then find the value of a. If you can see, here we have the two variables a as well as m, but as because we have the value of 2, if we have the value of m is 2, we'll get the answer 12. So we can easily find out the value of a. So let's start. First we have to write as because polynomial variable we have m is equal to m cube plus 2m plus a is given. Put or substitute we can write m is equal to 2. If we put m is equal to 2, we get answer 12. Yes, therefore P2 is equal to, what we have to write, 2 cube plus 2 into m, sorry, at the place of m we have to write 2 plus a, that is cube of 2, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 2 ja 4 plus 8, sorry, a, 8 plus 2 4 12 plus a, and if we put m is equal to 2, we'll get the answer 12. Means here we have to substitute 12, or we can write P2 is equal to 12 directly. Yes, so therefore a is equal to 12 minus 12, a is equal to 0. Therefore the value of a is 0. This way we have to consider our answer. Now the question number 4, that is for the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p minus 1 is 7, then find the m. Means here we want to find m, means variable, main variable is x over here. So let's start. Px is equal to mx square minus 2x plus 3, and p minus 1 is equal to 7. Means if we are substituting minus 1 at the place of x, we are getting the answer 7. So put x is equal to minus 1. Then we will get p minus 1 is equal to m into square of minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3, m as it is into 1, minus into minus become plus, 2 1 is 2 plus 3, m into 1 m plus 2 plus 3 5, and at the place of p minus 1 we can write 7. So it will become m is equal to 7 minus 5, m is equal to 2. Therefore we can consider our answer. Therefore the value of m is 2. This way we have to consider our answer. For the next sum number 5. Divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and find the remainders using factors theorem. So here we have the two polynomials. The first one is dividend and second one is divisor. As because they said we have to divide the first by second. So let's start the first one. As because dividend is equal to x square minus 7x plus 9. Divisor x plus 1. Therefore, take x is equal to -1. Now we have to therefore take the at the place of we have the polynomial, as because polynomial we can say px is equal to x square minus 7x plus 9. Therefore p minus 1 is equal to square of -1 minus 7 into -1 plus 9. Square of -1 1 minus into minus become plus, 7 1 ja 7 plus 9. 1 plus 7 8 plus 9, that is 17. That is nothing else, that is the value of p minus 1. And now they are asking, say by divide by the second polynomial, find the remainder using the factors theorem. So whatever we are getting, this is nothing else, that is the remainder. Therefore remainder is equal to 17. Now we have the question number 2, that is 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a divided by x minus a. As it is, we are written the divisor. The first we have to write dividend, as because dividend is equal to 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. Divisor is equal to x minus a. Therefore take x is equal to a. We have to take x is equal to a. Now as because we have the polynomial, that is 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. At the place of x now we have to take a. P a is equal to 2 into cube of a minus 2 into square of a plus a into a minus a is equal to, here 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square minus a. Here we have the two like terms, 2a cube minus a square minus a. This is the value of p a. Means we can say therefore remainder is equal to 2a cube minus a square minus a. So this way we have to find out the remainder. Now the same way you have to solve the question number, sub question number 3 by yourself. Now proceed for the question number 6. If the polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m is divided by y plus 2 and the remainder is 50, then find the value of m. So let's start. Here we have this dividend. Dividend is equal to y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m divided by y plus 2. Therefore divisor is equal to y plus 2. Then take y is equal to minus 2. We have the remainder. Remainder is equal to 50. Means we can say we have py at the place of py we have to 50. Yes. So let's start. As because py is equal to y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m. So take p, we have to minus 2 is equal to cube of minus 2 minus 5 into minus 2 square plus 7 into minus 2 plus m. Cube of minus 2, that is 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 and minus 8. Minus 5 into square of minus 2 4 plus into minus become minus 7 2 ja 14 plus m. Minus 8 minus into plus become minus 5 4 ja 20 minus 14 plus m. These all three are in minus. Let's add it. 20 plus 8 28 plus 14 28 minus 28 minus 14 plus m. Minus minus again we are going to add. 8 plus 4 12 1 carry 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus m. Sign will be minus. Now here we have the value of py is 50, means we can say if we are keeping the p minus 2 will get the value 50. So at the place of py we have to write everywhere 50. Yes, now we can solve it. M is equal to 50 plus 42. M is equal to 92. Therefore the value of m is 92. This is our answer. Now proceed for the question number 7. Use factor theorem to determine whether x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3 or not. So let's start. If x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3, then we get the answer. Answer is 0, or we can say value is 0. If this is a factor of this polynomial, we get the answer 0. So let's start. As because here px is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now we have to take, as because x plus 3 is given, so we have to take x is equal to minus 3. So therefore p minus 3 is equal to square of minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 3. Square of minus 3 9 plus into minus minus 2 3 is 6 minus 3. 9 minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. We'll get the answer 0. Means P3 we are getting 0. And here we are written. If that is a divisor, then we'll get the answer 0. And here we got the answer 0. Therefore we can write x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. This way we have to consider our answer statement. So this way today we learned how we are going to find out the value of polynomials and how we can say if any value of the polynomial is given, whether that is correct or not. Or we can say we divided the polynomial by factorization theorem. So this way we have to learn about this all kinds of sums of practice set number 3.5. The rest sum of the practice set number 3.5 we have to solve in the next video. And for today's homework, you have to do all the remaining sub questions of your sums till 1 to 7. What we did today, like in the question number 1, there is these 3 sums, but I did only 1. So rest 2 you have to solve. Same kinds in each and every question. What the sub questions I am not solved in this video, you have to solve by yourself. That is a homework for you. Thank you so much.